Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Hey, family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to the day. I know the market started off phenomenally, then it had a huge sell-off. But before I get into that video, hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, okay? Now, as of late, I've been giving you certain quotes or certain phrases or sentences out of my one of my all-time favorite books, Og Medino. And so what I like to do is I would like to give you another excerpt of something that I find phenomenal when it comes to this book. All right, and it talks about persistence. The prizes of life are at the end of the journey, not near the beginning, and it is not given to know how many steps are necessary in order to reach my goal. Failure I may still encounter at the 1,000th step, yet success hides behind the next bend in the road. Never will I know how close it lies until I turn the corner. Always will I take another step. If that is to no avail, I will take another and yet another. In truth, one step at a time is not too difficult. I will persist until I succeed. And family, that sums up success. In order to truly succeed, you're going to go through some ups. You're going to go through some downs. You're going to go through some highs. You're going to go through some lows. And when it comes to investing, you're going to go through some wins and you're going to go through some losses. This game is a game of wins and losses when it comes to trading stocks, and also when it comes to holding long term. We know ultimately, if you're going to invest in the market, there are going to be some years where you're going to be extremely profitable. You're going to be up 10, 15, 20%. And there may be a few years where you're going to be down 3% or 5%. But ultimately, at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, you're going to have astronomical profits, okay? Astronomical profits. That's the goal. Now, 85 to 90%, some say up to 95% of people lose in the stock market. Number one, because they're not patient. Number two, because they're not educated. So patience, man, is what success is made of. And also persistence. Now, persistence is the only habit that will get you what you desire in life. Persistence. We must be persistent. Okay. Now the market was a little choppy today. Now I was actually, I was at work and I really couldn't, do too much when it comes to, trading or executing some trades today. I had some meetings. I was just really tied up. I did close out one position yesterday. I was in the hole on this position here, but today's return $250 for a total return of $70. I cashed out of that. This was actually a call option, and I'm glad I cashed out of this call option because within the first hour, the market started tanking. So I was able to recover from, I think I was 20%. I was about maybe $140 down on this one, but I was able to recover. And this is pretty much one of the only plays I made. Again, I was away. I really couldn't make any trades. I was tied up. So today, family, when we take a look at the market, it did exactly what we've been talking about for the past couple of days. After we have such a huge run up, if you've been following the channel, we understand. I say this all the time. Stocks never move too far away from that 20 SMA. And we made a move back to the 20. Now today we actually crossed over that 20. We were met with some resistance and we had a pull back. All right. Now, what are we going to do going forward? We have momentum coming back into the stock. Now, this could represent sideways trading. This could represent some more movement to the upside. But when we have a bearish candle that precedes the past two candles, that's a negative sign. And we don't want to jump into any day trading knowing that there is skepticism in the market, right? There is skepticism in the market. Now, if we're going to place a day trade, now we could take a look at the 3-minute chart. When we look at the 3-minute chart, we could see that, man, it was just a huge sell-off today. And so again, man, we started up, we gapped up at the open, really nice gap up. Then we started to flatten out, and then it was just a consistent sell-off, family, a consistent sell-off. Again, if we were day trading, what I like to use is the 8 SMA and also the 20 SMA. And so when the 8 crosses over the 20 going down, that is a good sign that we may have some further downward movement. It may be an opportunity to jump back into the play, and we can continue riding this wave down. But again, I was away. I was at work. I had a lot going on, and I really couldn't place any day trades today. But fortunately for me, there's always another day to trade. There is always another day to trade. All right. Now, you can't take a loss when you don't place any trades. And sometimes the best trading is no trading at all. All right. Now, I would have loved to been able to ride this thing down from 390 to 382, 383. That would have been a nice profit, nice gain on my part. But unfortunately, I didn't place any trades on the SPY coming down. And something else I want to mention is when you have that 20 SMA, and when we have this consistent downtrend, we have a beautiful 45-degree angle trending down like this. This is when you really want to get into the play, right? So even though you didn't catch any of this, when we got back to that 20, we was met with further resistance. It gave us an opportunity to jump in, ride this thing on down even more. And so today, family, I was away. I couldn't place any trades on SPY, but there'll be more days ahead, and hopefully we won't have any of this choppiness. Now, when we have this choppiness or this sideways trading, it doesn't give us an opportunity to really maximize our wins or our losses for the day. It's just sideways trading. This is a time or a period where we want to sit out and we don't want to do anything with the market, because what we want in the market is we want a nice, consistent downward trend. We want something to confirm that we are in a downtrend, or we want something to confirm that we are in a uptrend. All right. We don't want to just, place trades just because, oh, we're down a whole bunch. Let me jump in because it will rebound. We don't know if it'll rebound or not, but what we can do is we can use the trends, because the trends is our friend to the end. All right. So tomorrow, family, what are we going to do based on a daily chart? So based on this daily chart, I am going to sit on the sideline until I have another candle that gives me the confirmation that we are going to either trend down or we are going to trend upward. Okay. Now, family, I know this video is short, but this is a skeptical day, right? Today was a great opportunity to jump back in, but we don't know what tomorrow holds. And the market is volatile right now, that what we want to do, we want to sit on the sideline and we want to wait until something clears up, give us a clear indication of an uptrend or a downtrend. All right. Now, that's all I have for you guys today, family. Now, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Now, if you did, hey, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.